Welcome to Diamond Auto Hub. Today, we dive into the essence of Italian elegance and performance. The 2026 Ferrari Roma. A grand tour that blends timeless beauty with cutting-edge technology, the Roma isn't just a car, it's an emotion. Sculpted in aluminum and carbon fiber at first sight, the 2026 Roma captivates with its refined yet aggressive stance. The long hood, swept-back roofline, and short rear deck recall the golden age of Ferrari GTs, while every curve serves a purpose. In aerodynamics, the new adaptive matrix LED headlights bring a sharper gaze, and the reworked front grille, with its floating design, adds modern sophistication without losing that unmistakable Ferrari allure. The rear features slim LED taillights, quad exhausts, and an active spoiler that deploys seamlessly at speed. Under the sculpted bonnet lies a masterpiece, a 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8, hand-built in Maranello. For 2026, it produces 630 horsepower and 760 newton-meters of torque, paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. The result? A blistering 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 199 miles per hour. The Roma's character is pure Ferrari. Immediate throttle response, spine-tingling exhaust notes, and an eagerness to climb through the revs that feels intoxicating. Ferrari's advanced side slip control 6.0 system, adaptive suspension, and rear-wheel drive ensure that every corner is a dance between precision and passion. Whether cruising along a coastal road or carving up a mountain pass, the Roma feels planted, poised, and alive. Step inside, and the cabin greets you with a perfect fusion of luxury and performance. Hand-stitched leather, Alcantara, and brushed aluminum create an atmosphere of bespoke craftsmanship. The dual cockpit layout separates driver and passenger spaces, with a 16-inch digital instrument cluster, an 8.4-inch vertical center display, and even a dedicated passenger touchscreen for navigation and performance data. In true Grand Tourer fashion, the Roma doesn't just thrill, it pampers. Adaptive cruise control, a premium audio system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and Ferrari's latest driver assistance suite make long journeys effortless. The 2026 Ferrari Roma goes head-to-head with cars like the Aston Martin DB12 and Porsche 911 Turbo S, but it stands apart with a distinctly Italian blend of beauty, power, and soul. Starting at around $240,000, it's a car for those who demand not just speed, but an experience that lingers in the heart long after the drive ends. Thanks for watching Diamond Auto Hub. Stay tuned for more legends of performance and passion. And remember, the road is always better with a little Italian flair.